Hi. Today was a very volatile day in the stock market. The Sensex and Nifty have fallen for 3 consecutive days in a row. Let us check what happened in the last week today. The Sensex fell by 336 points and the Nifty fell by 88 points. Some of the stocks which fell sharply include Asian Paints, Hindalco, Reliance Industries, Infosys. IT stocks have been falling very sharply across the board, especially mid-cap IT stocks. Stocks like Mastic Technologies, Mindtree, Coforge, they are nearly down between 10 to 25% across the stream. So should you invest in IT stocks? No. Wait for the market correction to settle down and then buy good companies on dips. So what can we expect going forward? We can expect the profit booking to continue for some more time. Most of the companies' valuations have run ahead of their fundamentals. What is very important to note is that the market breadth has been quite negative during the last 3-4 days. So more number of declines are there when compared to the advances. In other words, more stocks are falling and less stocks are rising. So this is pointing to a bearish sentiment. Long-term investors can consider investing in good companies at every significant price dip, and you can exit positions in weak stocks. As the stock prices have run up highly, it is recommended to book profits in potentially weak stocks. So all investors who want to build a winning portfolio in the stock market and invest without fear can message or call me at 9342 555 I help beginners who are clueless in the stock market to earn profits from stocks. Thanking you from Ashish.